The air code CH61 on an LG air conditioner indicates high temperature levels, either in the outdoor unit evaporator during cooling or inside the indoor unit during heating. This issue can be caused by a closed window in the outdoor unit room, obstacles surrounding the outdoor unit, or a clogged indoor unit filter. To resolve this problem, it is essential to open the ventilation window of the outdoor unit room, allowing hot air to escape and preventing it from flowing back into the air conditioner when the outdoor unit overheats. The louver of the ventilation window should be kept as horizontal as possible. Additionally, removing obstacles from around the outdoor unit, including the front, rear, and sides, is crucial for ensuring sufficient ventilation. Cleaning the indoor unit filter is also necessary, as a clogged filter can be a significant contributor to the issue. By turning off the air conditioner and cleaning the filter, ventilation from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit can be improved, helping to resolve the air code CH61.